Here are 3 quick ways that we can cross-promote. If you have an event coming up, all you have to do is go to the home page, click to the calendar of events, and post a new event. If it's posted at least 2 weeks in advance, it's automatically added to our social media schedule, and we will post it on the Trails Facebook, as well as the ACV Facebook and Twitter. If you have a collaborative event coming up with at least 3 other members, you qualify to have an Artisan Trail tour. In that case, all you have to do is send us a brief description of your event, as well as a list of all the participating trail sites. From there, we will lay out a blog for your collaborative event and help promote it. If you have more questions about what qualifies as a tour and what to send us, you can check out the marketing guidelines below. If you have a non-dated event, such as an announcement, you can email us your press release to media@artisancenterofvirginia.org, and we will disperse that to our media contacts. You can also tag us in posts on Facebook, and we will be happy to share.